One of the most frequent comments that I see on any customization related video that I make is, this is way too complicated. So I thought, why not show people just how easy it can be to create a beautiful home screen setup? And then I thought, maybe we can do it in under 5 minutes. So start the clock and let's begin. Now, in order to streamline this process, we're gonna need 3 apps. A third-party launcher app, so I'm gonna go with Nova Launcher for the purposes of this video, a widget app called KWGT, and then my very own customization app called Palette. Now, we will need a few more apps, but they're gonna differ depending on the setup that you choose to recreate, so I'll come back to those in a moment. Now, with Palette open, all you need to do is find a setup that you like the look of. So let's use this one here called Blur Circle for the purposes of this video, which I've chosen because it offers a solid balance of including a nice selection of assets. So it's certainly not the quickest to set up, but it's also still very clean looking, which I love. Now, down here, you'll see links to all the assets that you're gonna need to recreate the setup. You can see we have Nova Launcher, which I already have installed, but then we also have the icon pack here, which if we tap on is called the Doodle icon pack. So I'll go ahead and tap to install it. Then back in Palette, we also have a widget pack here, which is called Radiance KWGT, which I'll also go ahead and install. Now, up front, these are both paid apps, which some people might not be stoked for, but if you come back to the home screen and then tap this filters option, we've actually made a separate free category, which is filled with setups containing exclusively free assets. So if you're not interested in paying a heap of money in order to recreate a home screen setup, then definitely feel free to explore the setups in this category instead. But back to our setup now, and once those 2 apps have been installed, there's just 3 assets left to download. The wallpaper, which was originally available in the Hame Walls app, which is also a paid app, but I reached out to the creator of this setup and that app, who are the same person, and they graciously agreed to include a direct link to the wallpaper, just to make recreating this setup that little bit more accessible to anyone watching this video. So we'll download that. Then we've got this widget here called R36, which is a custom made widget. So we'll tap to download that. And then finally, we'll tap to download the Nova Launcher backup file. And with everything downloaded, things are now gonna progress very quickly, so buckle up. So I'll come home and I've already got Nova Launcher set as my default home screen launcher. So I'm gonna long press, then tap on wallpapers, then tap pick image, then I'm gonna navigate to and select that recently downloaded wallpaper. I'll tap the tick icon, tap home and lock screen, and there we go. Now I'm gonna tap on settings, then come down to this backup and restore section. Then I'm gonna tap restore backup, then find the backup file that I just downloaded, which is this one here called Blur Circle, then select it and tap OK. And just like that, you'll see that all the icons appear in place where they belong with the right icon pack applied. And we've got 2 empty KWGT slots for us to create our widgets. We'll start by setting up that custom widget down the bottom. So we'll tap to open it, then we'll tap import, and you just need to navigate to your downloads folder to find the KWGT backup file, which mine has auto opened. But once you've found it, we just need to tap it, then tap to open it, and that's it. We can now save that widget, come back home, and it's done. Then for our top widget, you might remember that it was from the Radiance KWGT app, but in order to figure out what the name of it is, we're gonna open up Palette again, and if we tap this More button here, you'll see that we actually have the name of our widget included, which is R41. So let's close that and tap to open our remaining widget. Then I'm gonna tap to search and type in R41. We'll tap the one that shows, and then there's only 2 small tweaks that we've got to make to this widget. The first is to open this overlap group, then come over to the position tab, and then move the widget up like so. Then if we come back, all we got to do now is come over to the globals page and change all of these colors to black, one by one, like so. We'll then save that, come back home, and when you look at that, our home screen setup is complete. And there you have it, an incredible looking, highly functional home screen setup created in well under 5 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, then a sub would be greatly appreciated. And let me know if you'd like to see similar, shorter style setup videos like this one in the future down in the comments below. Aside from that, thank you all very much for watching, and I will catch you later.